Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for all the drone enthusiasts out there. We'll be comparing two popular drones in the market, the Holy Stone Hydrogen Sulfide and the DJI Mini 3. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in different categories. Let's start with the price. The Holy Stone HS440 is priced at $129, while the DJI Mini 3 comes in at $798. It's clear that the HS440 is more budget-friendly, making it a great option for beginners or those on a tight budget. However, the Mini 3 offers advanced features and technology, justifying its higher price point. Now, let's compare the cameras of these drones. The Holy Stone HS440 boasts a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera with a 112 degrees wide-angle lens. It allows you to capture stunning aerial scenery and every wonderful moment from a bird's-eye perspective. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 takes it up a notch with 4K HDR video capability, capturing crystal-clear shots with details in highlights and shadows. It also offers true vertical shooting, perfect for capturing tall landmarks. When it comes to camera quality, the DJI Mini 3 takes the lead. Battery life is crucial when it comes to drones. The Holy Stone HS440 offers an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes, allowing you to capture and explore more of your surroundings. Meanwhile, the DJI Mini 3 takes the crown with an impressive battery life of up to 38 minutes. You can take it on long flights without worrying about the battery dying on you. Portability is another important factor to consider. The Holy Stone HS440 comes with a foldable frame, making it compact and easy to carry around. It even includes a carrying case, ensuring hassle-free transportation. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 weighs under 249 grams, making it extremely lightweight and perfect for taking with you on all your adventures. Both drones offer great portability options, so it ultimately comes down to personal preference. Let's talk about the features these drones offer. The Holy Stone HS440 provides intuitive and advanced features such as automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation. It also includes beginner-friendly functions like emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. The DJI Mini 3, on the other hand, offers quick shots for dynamic flight patterns and stunning views, as well as resistance to 38 km/h winds. It also has the advantage of true vertical shooting and panorama mode. Both drones offer exciting features, but the DJI Mini 3 has a slight edge with its advanced capabilities. Based on online reviews, customers have praised both drones for their performance and features. The Holy Stone HS440 is highly regarded for its affordability, camera quality, and portability. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 stands out with its advanced features, longer battery life, and stunning imagery. It's important to consider your specific needs and budget when choosing between these two drones. And that concludes our comparison between the Holy Stone Hydrogen Sulfide and the DJI Mini 3. The HS440 excels in terms of affordability, camera quality, and portability, while the Mini 3 shines with its advanced features, longer battery life, and stunning imagery. Ultimately, the choice between these two drones depends on your specific needs and budget. We hope this comparison helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to subscribe to Buy Smart for more product comparisons. See you next time.